Hi, in this video we are going to navigate one page to another page in a flutterflow UI using action. So for that we need to two page. So we have already practice page as well as second page. So practice page has one click button, and this button, in this button I want to add one action. Select action editor, and here click on add action, and right side I search navigate. So here is shown the navigate, and select a second page. Now I added second page and select the second page, and here this is a second page is display. I start the project. Now project is successfully started. Now I click on this button. Now it is navigate to another page, second page. So this way we can add the action for navigating one page to another page. So I select a button and check here what we do there. Here one action at navigate to second page. So this way we can navigate action we can add.